commercial building, we call it here in America. And also we had to put this hard hat here so that it's safe for the head. We call it. Inibal, I'll store you around here for R5. We're working also on R5. So this is it. I'm here now. So much work to do here. So we're almost done. You better don't get in here, huh? You have a lost dog here. Look at that. Have lost dog there. Look at that, the lost dog. It's trying to get our dog. Okay. This is how we're working on this now. I'll throw you in my R5. This is up and down. Okay, see. Stay on. I'll show you. This is a big place. Look at that big place for the office. Okay, I'll show you the R5 Jabber. So I'll have to check it around. This is ready for inspections. We don't have light yet here. The sink's here, sink, and also shower here. This is office place. Shower. Shower. And there. Shower, this one here. Upstairs. This is our line here. This is it. Tap out, we call it. This ring here, we put it here. This is germ packs. This one is a turn out. And this is commode here, right here. This is a germ packs, we call it. And also this one is this one here is a 2 inch. This is installation, we call it. Install is supposed to be a water line here, like this. Water line. You put it an installation on this so that when it's getting pressed, you don't press the pipe. This one here, have to put it back on there. This is a water line, red water line, blue water line here. Installation and our water line right here, right there, all the way there, and also our 5 right here, our 5 all the way there in the upstairs, right here. And also right here is a bathroom for the commode here, right here. And also this one here, another sink, office sink, we call it, there, right there. And this one here, another sink and bathroom. 1, 2 bathroom in downstairs. This one here have to put the installation here. Too much things to do right there. Our water line, right there, our water line. Where is my water line? And this is the tub there, so water line there. So all the way there. There. There is our water line. Thank you for watching. Filipina to